So I made a boba milk tea blind bag. So let's open it. I have a little price sticker that I made for fun because I was bored. Oh yeah, maybe my phone's gonna fall because I don't have really anything to do with on it. Okay, so let's get it off. Okay, a lot of people are doing really aggressive with it. For example, they have a rare or legendary or whatever. I mean, like this. Yeah, that. So let's do it better. Okay, that was not my fault. Okay, yeah, I did it a little bit the wrong side, but okay. You have common, rare, or legendary. I really want the legendary, but we will see. I think I have a common or something. But here you can see it. You can open it. It's stingy. Yeah, I got legendary. Yo. Okay, let's open it. Just close it again. But I need to do it like this so you guys can see. Wow, that was good. So I need to do this like this. Why am I doing this like that? Why can't I just rip it open? Okay, maybe I did it a little bit. Did I break anything? I wanted to open it so I can just get it out normally, but I'm just gonna rip it. Oh, there's a little card. I think this is a checklist or something. Well, in here, there's a boba that you think. Here's the checklist. You can have a green boba milk tea, a yellow one, a pink one, a purple one, or the blue one. Well, my favorite colors are gold and pink too a little, and purple from a same with my favorite YouTuber. Her favorite color is purple too. But okay, let's see. I don't have a pen, but okay. Okay, let's open it. Or I can just open it. Let's open it from here. I think it's really good. Yay, it worked once. Ooh. Oh, I have the purple one. I'm sorry for this eye. It's really squishy and really cute. I love it. Okay, let's see. I have the purple one on the checklist. I don't have a freaking pen or a pencil. What am I gonna do? But it's nothing. I'll just check it off later. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye.